Oh, as the Spazza here once again, coming to you, as you can see behind me, from Jade Stadium. Alright, this time I'm making another video. As you can see, this building is partly on the way to becoming dust and rubble. So yeah, here I am about to make another video. This time I've been through all the right channels, and so I will not be getting in trouble this time, etc. She's pretty windy, and my batteries in my drone don't like cold wind, so this won't be a very long flight. But anyway, hope you all enjoy the video, and yeah, so here we go. Go and have a wee look at all the rubble here. Oh dear, look at this. This was once upon a time someone's seat and their bum was on it. Haha. Got the old hose spraying there to keep all the dust and stuff down. God, look at this place. This once iconic building, look at it. Oh my god, that's... Anyway, let's go and have a wee look at the building. I've been through all the right channels this time, so I won't be getting in trouble. Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this, everybody. We have a big flat piece of concrete. We go up there, have a few games of table tennis or something. Game of pool. Go up there, have a few drinks or something. Sorry about the wobbly camera, but due to my exquisite flying, I did hit a flax bush one stage, and it's now damaged my very expensive gimbal on the camera. Street down, yeah. Oh my god. Let's go have a look at the other side, eh? I have all my obstacle sensors switched off, so make sure I don't hit the crane. Okay, what have we got here? Well, oh, I guess it's all the stairwell and the entrance. Yep. Oh, the old camera, old drone's getting knocked around a bit. That would probably be the wind coming up off the top of this big flat piece of concrete. Look at all those stairs going to nowhere these days. Wow. Almost look like there's been a big bomb or something go off. Whoopsie. Oh, wait. Now, if I do happen to crash my drone, since this is private property, well, council property, I will not be going and retrieving it. Well, for starters, I can't get over the fence with my bad leg, and for starters, it's private property. Whoa, crane. Far out. I could almost didn't see the damn crane because I was flying sideways. Ooh la la. Oh, look at this. It looks like a whole block of buildings, block of flats being built. A bit drafty though by the looks of it. Whoa, the old drone, she's getting buffeted around by the wind. I don't think there's anything I'm going to fly into. Wow, bit by bit, piece by piece, she's coming down, eh? Watch out for the crane this time. God, the old neighbours. First they had to go through the whole process of this building being constructed and their houses being creaked and groaned and vibrated, etc. as this building was being created. Now they have had to go, now they're going through the whole process of the building coming down. Jeez, you know, plus they've had to go through all of the earthquake rubble, etc. Rumbles, I should say, get it right. And yeah, and poor buggers. I can actually see my drone. I'm nowhere near the crane this time, so yes, let's do a sideways fly. Do a spin around. Now, if I had my sport racing drones here, my sport drones here, these gaps you can see in front of us, I would be flying through those and doing flips when I come out the other side and rolls, etc. But no, this certainly won't be doing it with this drone, as don't want to lose this one and my other cheaper ones. My sport ones, I wouldn't mind quite so much losing them. Make sure there's nothing I'm going to fly sideways into. No, don't want to be looking at houses. see the building. She dwarfs all of this construction equipment even. Alrighty, okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to go around the other side of the building and just have a wee look-see there. I'm not going to spend too much time here. Hang on, let's go up. Ooh, getting battered a bit by the wind. Wow, look at that. Now, in my first video, towards the end, I did a picture of my drone at 1600 feet and a look down at the building, but I can no longer do that anymore as the Air Association or FCC or whoever they are have imposed a 400 feet height limit, which most of your little cheapy drones and your sport racing drones, that wouldn't be a problem at all, because you know, they aren't advanced like this drone, and that drone doesn't abide, those drones don't abide by them. But since this is a professional and advanced drone, it will automatically not go above 300 feet. So that's a good thing and a bad thing, but you know, there's going to be a lot of laws. There are over in Canada, I think it is, you have to pass a 60-page test. You pretty much have to nearly become a pilot just to be able to fly your drones now. So so you know, if you have to go through all of that just to fly a drone, you might as well go the whole way and actually get your pilot's license. That's the way I see. That's the way I look at it. Let's go up and let's see if we can at least get the same height as this crane. See how high this crane is. Fly towards it. Okay, we'll go slightly higher than it. Right, so I'm 286 feet at the moment, and yeah, I guess I'm about the same height as the crane. I'm actually surprised my battery has lasted this long, because in these cold conditions, if anything below 15 degrees, I get a warning on my drone saying we'll not get as much performance out of the batteries. But yeah, I'm lucky that doesn't account for my fingers. My damn fingers feel like they're only a few degrees at the moment. So yeah, just doing a wee circle around the top of the crane, just giving everybody what it would look like if you were being naughty and someone hooked the crane up to your belt and lifted you up to the top. Because see, you know, if we look down, it's a fair way down, and this is what it would look like as you're falling. Yeah. Splat. Whoa. But no, I don't think anyone is naughty enough to do that. Shh, don't say anything. Just kidding. Yeah. Ooh. Anyway, okay, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to make another couple of videos. They will be available on my YouTube channel. Please, if you go to my YouTube channel and watch them, please like and subscribe. Like the videos, and if you want to, subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading at least 1 to 2 videos a week. Once I get past 100 followers, I will be running prizes, etc., and giveaways. Okay, thank you all for watching. As a Spazzer, signing out for now. Ciao.